Hi ladies and all the girls out there. No matter you're married, single, divorced or a widow, financial independence is a necessity for all of you in today's era. Today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should be financially independent. Why is it important to earn money? How can it change your life? How does it affect your relationships? So stick around with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, parenting tips, work from home ideas and a lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Before I begin, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you're new here, make sure you hit all options so that you get notifications for all of my videos. So here is the number 1 and topmost reason why you should earn at least some amount of money. I'm not being negative here, but of course I'm being practical here. This one thing we all have learned during this pandemic is life is very uncertain. We all want our life to go the way we have planned it, but it doesn't happen. People are losing their life, people are losing their job, some are not even fit enough to go back to work. In a family, if a woman earns, she can at least offer some support to the family during such emergencies or some unforeseen events like divorce, unemployment or illness. So ladies, you should have some of your own money, but not from your husband's pocket. Earning money is directly associated to your confidence. No matter you earn small amount of money or big amount of money, it boosts your self-confidence and self-esteem. I often hear housewives saying, "No one respects me, I don't feel confident." The day you start earning money, your husband and your kids will start respecting you. When you earn money, you're free to make your own decisions. You are free to choose the way you want to spend that money. You can join any fitness class, you can join any hobby class. You don't have to depend on your parent or your husband to join such kind of classes. The more you work on your personality like this, it will eventually boost your confidence. Your partner may not say this upfront, but trust me, matching the cost of living these days is really a big challenge. So even if you contribute a small amount of money, this will gain a lot of respect in his eyes for you. This one is my personal experience. If you are in a relationship or married, you may agree that we women often overthink or overreact on petty issues. So if you choose to work, it can be full-time or part-time. Your focus tends to shift from these petty issues to your own work. When you are busy with your own work, you tend to overlook these small issues, and that is what your men expect from you. So eventually you will gain respect in his eyes, and this will leave a positive impact on your relationship. When you earn even some amount of money, you get the power to choose. You can take your own decisions. This makes you better and confident personality. The same work that you do in 6 hours, you will try to finish it as faster as you can, because you will have to give time to your work. And this leaves very positive impact on your children. They learn time management skills from you. If you have a girl child, she will learn how to manage roles and responsibilities inside and outside the house. If you have a boy, he will learn how to support his wife in future. So that is how they learn time management from you, and they value money. This one is the last one, but extremely important. Even if you belong to a well-to-do family, even if you don't need money, you must do some work. If you're financially independent, you can take big decisions of your life. You can choose your own life partner on your own terms and conditions. You can take your education to the next level. You can walk out of an abusive marriage if you're financially independent. I have seen women adjusting beyond their limits in abusive relationships just because they don't have money to start their new life. So today, right away, start thinking how you can make money. I feel in today's world, making money is far more easier than before, because you have n number of options. I myself keep on posting so many videos about work from home ideas on my channel. So go check it out and choose the best one for yourself. That's it for today. Keep watching and do let me know your comments on this video in the comment box.